Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Rush Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And you click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings section. In the game notifications option, you can find the setup button and click that, and click to the first option, the turn notifications on, and just click to the next blue square icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.